Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick Canva walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to make a clean round logo in Canva. One of those circle style logos that look great on socials and business cards and all that. It's super easy, so let's get started. So first, open up a square design. Something like 1000 by 1000 pixels works perfectly. Using a square keeps your circle logo centered. Next, head to the Elements tab and search for circle. Make sure you pick the solid circle, not the outline, unless that's the look you want. This is basically the frame for your round logo. Now resize your circle so it fills most of the canvas. Leave a little breathing room around the edges so it doesn't feel cramped, and snap it to the center. All right, now add your brand name or initials. You can choose any font that matches your style, and you can tweak the look later. If your logo needs an icon, so simple like a camera, a leaf, a letter symbol, whatever fits your brand, just grab one from Elements. Try to keep it simple so the round logo stays clean. Next, adjust your colors. Click the circle and choose your brand color or any shade that pops. Then tweak spacing so everything feels balanced. Once the layout looks good, group all the elements together so the logo stays centered and easy to move. And yeah, now you've basically got a full round logo ready to use. Finally, hit download. PNG usually works best, and if you want a transparent background, make sure that option is on. That way your round logo works anywhere. And that's it. Making a round logo in Canva only takes a few minutes, so feel free to experiment with fonts, colors, and icons until it really fits your style. Thanks for watching.